My name is Dhruv. So I here represent the private labeling department over here. I'm leading the same. So let me tell you the company first. So Khadi Natural Healthcare is an old company. It was incorporated in 1963. Then we have incorporated many things like we are into clothes, we are into cosmetics, we are into FMCG. Then last year we have started to do something new in contract manufacturing. So we have incorporated Naturo Orgo. So there we are doing personal care for multiple brands. You can see there like there are GSK, there are Sun Pharma, there are good clients that we are currently working on as of now. And yes, it's been a very good atmosphere over here. I'm liking it, and this is my first time, so yeah, it's good. So the main thing that I'm focusing on is building client relations, networking with the prospects, and it's been a good. Like the first day was good. I'm looking forward to today. So I believe we will be meeting lots of new clients and we'll be making relations with them. So yeah, it's good. Yes, we have with some of the very good renowned brands. We have met them. We have discussed the NPD, like what are the new innovations we are coming in the market trends. So yes, we are currently doing with them. Yeah, and we'll be meeting in them in future also. We are also coming in May 2025 in Mumbai also. So we are quite happy with the complete environment and all the things that are going on. And yeah, I'm expecting a larger gathering also since it's something new. It's my first time, so looking forward to more. So see, there are a lot of things happens in this market. So being in the showcase here, it feels connected to us through the client. Lots of clients usually don't connect with us over the phone call or anything, but here we can directly connect with them, make relations with them. As I told you, I have met some of the very good prospects, and they have promised that yeah, we are looking forward to work with you. So it's a like win-win situation for both of us. Like connectivity and the relation and the prospecting is something that we take apart. So yeah, it's a wonderful experience.